What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Law Cannon, and today we are cooking some steak and shrimp fajitas. Let's get right into this.
Delicious.
So first, we're going to start off with our skirt steak. Skirt steak, again, is one of the best steaks that you can use when you're making tacos, fajitas, anything like that Mexican taco type of dish. So we're going to cut our skirt steak into slices for our fajita first. Now take a bowl, pour your steak into a bowl, and then we're gonna start creating our marinade. And we starting off with some black pepper, about 2 teaspoons. Next, we're gonna need about 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Add about 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Add that oregano. Next, add about 2 teaspoons of that cumin. About a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Add about a 1/3 cup of orange juice. Add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and then we're going to finish this off with some freshly squeezed lime juice. Mix that up, and boom, you got your fajita marinade. Then I'm going to add this to a Ziploc bag just so it can really hold in that nice marinade, and we're going to set this aside. Now, I will say you should let that steak marinate for at least an hour but I will say I prefer at least 3 hours. But if you're short on time, I say marinate for an hour. But let's chop up our bell peppers. You want to just make these into really nice slices, because what's a fajita without some bell peppers, you know? Let's get red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, or orange, and green, because that nice 3-color bell pepper hits it with a really good taste, and it just looks really nice. Fajitas with a real nice tri-blend of colors. Yeah, man. Let's make it happen. Also, we have to slice up 1 whole onion. Now set that aside and let's start seasoning our shrimp fajitas. So we're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of black pepper for our shrimp, followed by 1 teaspoon of Cajun or Creole seasoning for the shrimp, because these shrimp fajitas will be a little spicy. Throw in your teaspoon of cumin, then add a teaspoon of hot chili powder, or you can use regular chili powder, and then mix it up, and boom, you got your shrimp fajitas. Now boom, let's heat this olive oil up in our cast iron skillet, and let's drop our marinated steak in a very hot cast iron. Y'all know I told y'all in plenty of videos, when you're making food in this cast iron, make sure it is hot and ready. You're going to continue to cook this until your steaks are medium well. I know some people don't like medium well, some people like completely well done, some people like medium, but I advise you guys to go with the medium well route for these steak fajitas. You will not be disappointed, trust me. So we're gonna cook these steaks for about 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure you're consistently flipping it, make sure everything is evenly brown, and boom, you have your steak fajitas. And do not forget your cilantro. Add in your fresh cilantro over the steak while it's cooking. This is going to give it a really good taste of that cilantro. Now remove the steak, set it aside, pour about another tablespoon of oil into your hot skillet, and let's add in our bell peppers and onions. Now, once your veggies are back in the skillet, you want to cook these until they are nice and tender. And once you see these veggies are nice and tender, you will add your steak back, add a little bit more fresh cilantro, some freshly squeezed lime juice, and boom, set that aside because you got your steak fajitas. And next, we're going to focus on how to finish our shrimp fajitas. Now, for the shrimp fajitas, I do like to do this step backwards. I like to cook my peppers first, just like I cook them with the steak fajitas. However, I cook these first, and then after you see that they are nice and tender, then I add my shrimp. Continue cooking until you see your shrimp are done. Make sure you do not overcook your shrimp. And boom, you finish with your shrimp fajitas. Now, you have shrimp fajitas. You have your steak fajitas. Grab you some lettuce, cheese, jalapeno peppers, sour cream, pico de gallo, chips and guac, beers, tequila. You know, enjoy this nice Taco Tuesday. You don't even have to do it just because it's Tuesday. You can do it on any other day, but I just taught you guys how to make some really nice steak and shrimp fajitas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please be sure to comment, share this on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you guys like to share your favorite videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one. We out of here.